Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Beautiful and versatile 1.5 story, never lived in home in Young Ranch. Master suite and 3 secondary bedrooms downstairs with a family room with fireplace, island kitchen with breakfast nook, formal dining room, covered rear patio, and a second floor game room with full bath. This flexible floor plan has everything your family needs. Master suite has large walk-in shower, soaking tub and separate sinks, oversized closet. Kitchen opens to large living room. Large island kitchen with tons of storage, gas stove and butler's pantry, breakfast room. The second story contains a hug game room with great closet and full bathroom, flexible space for game room, extra living or additional bedroom. Secondary bedrooms in front of the home separated from master suite share full bath with double sinks. Outdoor space is great for family fun and entertaining with large covered patio and oversized lot. Check it out today.